This is the 2013 Honda Accord, and compared to the model it replaced, it's bigger, stronger, and has a more refined interior and exterior design. So today, I'll take you through the exterior design, the interior design, its features, and its competition. Abeba here from Canoroma. Let's jump right into this video. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. The redesigned 2013 Honda Accord returned to the top of the quality sedan class with a mix of excellent packaging, superb fuel economy, and rewarding performance. Here from the front, you get an aesthetic pleasing front end that incorporates a vertical headlamp design with chrome touches on the grille. From the side, it is visibly less bulky compared to the previous generation, with a cut-in line that goes through the front and rear door handles. It has LED turn signal embedded into the mirror, which looks neat. The E-Extreme and above comes standard with lane watch, blind spot monitoring camera at the passenger side, which instantly switches to the 8-inch screen display of the passenger when the right signal is engaged, and also get a rear view parking sensor as standard on all trims. Here from the interior, you get an attractive instrumentation cluster that displays active and passive information going on in and around the car. You get a nice leather wrap steering wheel with Bluetooth setup connectivity, Honda Link connectivity system which integrated internet audio streaming through the 8-inch display that comes standard on all trims. The Honda Accord has a well laid out interior design with quality material used throughout the cabin. It has a more spacious interior compared to its rival, enough to seat 3 adults comfortably at the back, and plenty of storage slots and a big trunk. The 2013 Honda Accord is available as a mid-size sedan and a coupe. The Honda Accord comes in 2 engines. It comes in a 2.4-litre inline-4 and a 3.5-litre V6. The 2.4-litre 4-cylinder engine produces 185 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque, driving the front wheels by a continuous variable speed automatic transmission. And then the V6 produces 278 horsepower and 252 pound-feet of torque, driving the front wheels by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are the features to the Honda Accord. One feature with the proximity key is when you take and hold the unlock button twice, you are able to release all windows and sunroof at once. This is useful when you have a lot of heat in the car. All windows and sunroof can also be put back to place using the auxiliary key in the key fob. The second feature is when you unknowingly drop the key fob into the trunk and shut the trunk. Automatically, the trunk reopens when this happens. When you hit the right blinker, the camera at the passenger side allows you to get a clearer view of what is by your side. When you have the key fob on you, the door automatically stays unlocked and can be locked with a push of a button at the side of the door handle. The competition to the Honda Accord are the Toyota Camry, the Ford Fusion, the Volkswagen Passat, and the Hyundai Sonata. So my conclusions: the 2013 Honda Accord is fun to drive, has a roomy and high quality interior, responsive handling, and has a refined fuel efficient engine. And it's a nice looking exterior design. Let me know which car you'd rather have in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notification icon so you get alerted when I make a new upload. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.